Good, it's good.
Yeah, what's up, buddy?
What's up?
What's your name?
Gibran.
Yeah, what are we doing?
I don't know. Skydiving.
Yeah, there we go. You ready to do this thing?
No.
Oh,
Let's
you're
go.
gonna be ready though,
Yeah.
right?
We're already there. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let me look at your parts.
Guys, you ready? Let's go do this. Have some fun.
Where are you going? Give me a high five. Right hand down.
Okay.
Right down. Oh, what are you doing? You can't let go.
How you say that? Down.
Oh,
Okay,
bring that hand down.
Okay, okay.
And back up. Left hand down. Yeah.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
What's up, dude? What'd you think, my friend?
It was awesome. It was awesome.
What's your favorite part?
Jumping.
Jumping?
Yeah.
Leaving the plane?
Yeah, that was fucking scary.
See you next weekend?
Yeah, man.